So I'm a neurosurgery trainee. I've been here for about 6 years. Almost finished my training. But the past couple of years I started doing a PhD because I was interested in improving what we do at surgery. I was wanting to try and make things safer, but also make things a bit more adventurous in what we can do. So we can do more effective operations with less harm to our patients. So I started my PhD. We're looking at brain imaging, so trying to map out where the function is in the brain so we can protect it better. So I'd always been interested in computing and programming from school, and when I was working on my PhD with the imaging data, it just struck me as a perfect opportunity to be able to use that to try and answer the questions we were interested in. We want to see which patients recover from surgery and find out if we can do anything to help them recover better or to make sure that they don't deteriorate in the first place. It's a perfect question to answer with machine learning techniques. Probably working with people with a variety of backgrounds, finding people from IT, from data science, other PhD students, people who are experts at computing, people who aren't, and discussing with them their ideas, their projects, what they're working on, and also what they think about what I'm working on as well. You get a bit of peer review, a bit of comments on your work, but also you can try and help other people with their work too. So it's a nice atmosphere. I think it's very important to have a sort of vocabulary and experience with machine learning techniques so you can discuss with people who are experts and ask relevant questions, understand what the problems are and how to fix them as well. So it's having that sort of dialogue at the similar sort of level where you can then communicate more effectively with people who are experts in this field. And also understanding how people are using the techniques for different applications, because sometimes you might find out that there's actually a very good question you've just overlooked and you didn't realize that that could be answered in that way, or that there was even a question there. Yes, we're already applying for money and looking at trying to expand our studies, so we're getting more data because we've had good results already, and we want to try and see how people recover from surgery and if there's things we can do to make them recover better. So we're trying to get more data, more scans, and follow people up. So ideally we'd like to follow up the same person over a long time and try and train machines on their data to try and predict how an individual is going to behave. A lot of medicine's always been based on groups. I think the future will be trying to look at individuals, and to do that you need to get a lot of data just on one individual to understand how that individual is changing. And the best way to analyze all that data, I think, will have to be machine learning techniques or artificial intelligence. Fun, professional, exciting, cutting edge, not too overwhelming. It's actually been quite manageable. So even for people who've maybe not done it before, come from a variety of different backgrounds, there's no reason you couldn't just turn up and run this course.